How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fill your grease gun with grease. That's all I've done is I've went out to the local hardware store and I've bought some of this earth moving and construction grease, and as you can see it's for use with excavators, truck turntables, bucket pins and skid steers. So this is going to do the job for me today. What you want to do first and foremost on your grease gun, just loosen the top slightly, pull out this pin at the back here, all the way out like so, then remove the bottom. Now on the actual canister of grease here, you'll notice there's a pull tab on this side and then there's just a lid on the other end. So as you can see, if you take off the lid, that gives you access to the grease. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is pull the tab off the bottom of the grease here. Like so, just give this a little clean. Right, so what you're going to do with this is you're going to put this end into the end of the gun. So my grease canister is actually too big for the grease gun here. So all I've done is I've just screwed the end of it onto the threads here. So what I'm going to have to do now is use the plunger and then push it through until the gun fills up with the grease. Not ideal, but I'm just showing you this is what can happen if you don't have the right size of canister for the gun. So all I'm going to do now is just put the plunger in like so. Then I'm going to release this button here, which takes the pressure off the spring. Right, and then all I'm going to do now is just push it all through. Nice and slowly. As you can see, the grease is now inside the canister. As you can see, the canister is now empty. This can get a little bit messy, so just make sure you've got some rags here and there. Right, what I'm going to do now is pull this lever all the way back again. What I'm going to do now is just turn this clockwise, tighten it right up. I'm now going to push the plunger all the way in while releasing this knob here, which is going to allow the air to come out. Once that's all the way home, I'll then tighten the top completely, like so. And what I'll do now is I'll start to pump the mechanism here, and then that we should hopefully see grease start to come out the end here. And there you go, that's how easy it is. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.